Good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the remaining parts. Already we have discussed about the body of the vase. So this video we are going to start with the movable jaw. Okay. So in the movable jaw, there are how many views they given over here? The movable jaw. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 views they are given over here in the second part. So in your new book they may give in the 3 views, but in the different manner. So in this view they are given as a 1, 2 as a parallel. So those diagram they are given as a parallel, that will be a front and side view. So whichever view it comes bottom or up, that we can consider as a top view. So once if we are seeing over here, see over here they given front view over this, and right side view they given over here left side. Okay, so the right side view they provided here, and also this is the one more view they provided, that is the bottom view over here. So why they provided the bottom view means because of to view the bottom holes, threaded holes, so that they given here as a bottom view over here. That is the point you have to remember over here. Okay, then how to start over these things means, see over in the front view, we will start a top view. Even in the top you can start after this cutout, it has to be make over here, and back again some more cutout, and also the top, the depth it will be varies, so that we could not able to start the top view. Then you can come into the bottom view. It's not possible because this is the depth, it will be starts from somewhere, and this is the things it will be starts from somewhere. Okay, and so that we are going to start with the front view. Then from this we are going to make the remaining other like adding the material and removing the material. So those and all we have to make over here. Then comes to here, select a solid part, and select a protrusion first. Going to select the front view. I'm going to make the this particular portion over here. So this is the portion, one thing you can remember over here. So from here to this is the, what is the length? 50 mm. From here to the up, so 45 mm. 45 mm plus 3 mm. So why big we are going those 3 mm we are going to take means because of up to 45 mm the cutout, the side, this portion has to be removed over here. So that we are going to take 45 plus 3 plus 25 mm. Okay, so go on, select a line. So from the line I am going to start with the 50 mm distance, 50, and angle is 0, enter, and height is 45 plus 3, 48, enter, and again 25 mm. Okay, so 25 mm. Then towards this side, left side, what is the distance? So this 45 plus 48, 5 mm it will be goes inside, then it will becomes as a 25 mm. Then towards this side 35 already. Okay, that calculation you can do later. So this is the line going to delete. So select a line from here to moving distance as a 5 mm over here, and up 25 mm, 25, and towards this side 35 mm, 35 mm. So now already we have moved towards up to from here to here 5 plus 35, 40 mm. The remaining is total length is the 50 mm. So the remaining we have to make. So for this, what is the height over here? For total height will be the 45 plus 3 plus 25, 45 plus 25, 50, 70, 73. So 73 minus 55. So 73 minus 55, we are going to find this length. Okay, so 10, 18, 73 minus 55, 18 we are getting. So 18 towards this side 10 mm. So total distance is 10 mm, sorry 50 mm. So here 5 mm, and this area is 35 mm. So totally we are 40 it goes, the remaining is the 10 mm over here. So after 10 mm, so this is the line I am going to join over here. So after joining this, what is the other thing we have to make? So the top, the radius 10, here the radius 3. Okay, so select fillet option. From here is here radius 10, radius 10 and radius 3. So I am going to give radius 10, and from this to this radius 3, enter. So after completing this, I am going to give return. So after once if you are given return, I want to keep the axis as a middle, okay, or plane as in the middle, so that I am going to use the symmetric extend command. So from that I am going to extend how much mm depth over I am going to extend over here. So that is the throughout 100 mm depth, that we can see from the side view. 100 mm depth I am going to extend over here. So I am going to give 100 over here. So after giving the 100, then going to choose the select the cutout. So now I am going to remove this particular portion, okay, here as well as here. So centrally we are going to keep as a 40, remaining things I am going to move. So taking this as a surface, select a line. So from middle to 20, enter, and height, what is the height over here? So they 45 mm. So here they are not given anything. So from in the front view we couldn't able to find this edge, it will become as a 45 mm height. Okay, so from here to 45 mm distance, then so you can close over here, otherwise you can extend and you can close like this. It's not a issue because of this area it doesn't have any material, so that it won't affect anything for diagram. So next thing again 20 and 45 mm, 45 full length. So join over here, then select a trim option. So after trim it, so I am going to give return throughout the component. So those things has to be created over here. Then this has to be save as the component name. The component name this we can give it as per the component name mobile jaw. Mobile jaw. So then after saving this, I am going to select hole option. So hole option, so this is the hole is called it as square threaded by 20 into 2. That 2 mm is the pitch. So the threading will be the square threaded. So go over here, select hole, so front place. So from bottom to what is the distance, height, so that is the from here to 20 mm. Okay, so select from this distance to 20 mm distance. Okay, so 20 or 27, I think 27 mm and 20 diameter. So this is 27. Select a line, from here to 27 mm, and select, go to the hole, change it as a hole parameter, simple, it is a threaded hole, and diameter is the 20 mm. So then threaded square thread, so TR, so TR 20 into 2, so square thread 20 into 2 throughout the whole extent, and the hole is to be through to the next, and give OK. I'm going to place the hole over here. So after placing the hole, I'm going to give return left and right click. The hole has to be created over here. So this, once again, you can save the component. So after this, so what is the next step we have to do means, so that is the thing is, this is the hole. So the hole, the gap is the 60 mm, and hole, two holes, pi 5, deep 13, and tap M6, deep 10. What is the meaning in this means, there are two holes will be placed, diameter is the 5 mm, and up to 13 mm hole has to be placed. In that hole, tap, that means threading M6 up to 10 mm, the threading has to be coming over here. Okay, so that is the meaning of this holes they will be provided over here. So that you can select, so from here to 15.5 mm height. So go over here, select the hole option, select the front view, this is the front view. So from here to actually this is from here to this particular middle center to 15.5 mm, 15.5 mm. Then the distance between the holes is the 60 mm. That means this side 30, other side 30. So from starting from there, we are going to give 60. So we can close over here. So after drawn this line, go to here, select the hole option, hole circle. So here it is the threaded hole. So select the threaded hole, and then hole diameter is the 5 mm. Hole diameter is 5 mm, and thread diameter is M6. M6. So finite extends, the hole it has to become, threading is to become up to the 13 mm, and the hole has to be threaded has to become 10 mm, hole has to be 13 mm, 5 mm hole and 6 mm threading. Okay, so I am going to select M6 and 10 mm. Okay, then here that the length is 13 mm and V bottom angle. I am going to give V bottom angle. So usually your V bottom angle is 90 degree you are going to provide, and other than this almost it's okay. Then I am going to give this one here, as well as I am going to select over here. Then give return left and right click. The hole has to be created with this threaded. Okay, so now you can go into give save. So this thing it has to be created over here. Then comes to the next thing. Okay, so almost everything is over, even here also. Then comes over in the bottom view. From the bottom view, so there also they are given as a two holes, pi 5 mm, deep 13, and tap M6, deep 10. So what is that? Two holes having that 5 mm diameter, and the deep 13, the whole deep is the 13 mm, and in the threading has to be M6 and deep 10. Okay, so those things we are going to do over here. Now going to select thing is call it as what is the command option. Again I am going to the hole option. Again I am going to the hole option. select the bottom view. So bottom, so from middle to 24 mm distance. Okay, so from middle to 24 mm distance, this is the 50. Okay, so middle to 24 mm distance. So from this line is the 50. So in this one from middle, so in the 50 mm distance perpendicular to the parallel to that one. So 50 mm. So from here to 24 mm, select again a line, select a line from here to 24 mm means 12 mm, 12 mm, and trim it, delete, select a line. So again from here 12, enter. Okay, so select the whole option and go to here threaded hole and 5 mm hole, M6, the whole finite extent is the 10 mm. Okay, then this will be 13 mm distance, and at having the V bottom, we okay, going to keep over here and here. Okay, so going to check is it correct or not. Okay, so exactly parallel to this we have drawn. So from that going to give return. So the hole has to be created over here. Okay, so then we are going to save it. So here itself we are going to check. So the hole it's coming either in this side only. We'll go and check. So I will rotating. So from sides the hole has to be coming over here. So whatever you have done, it's correct. So almost what are all the things remaining. So here all the things were drawn. Even here also the holes has to be produced and the threaded hole. And here from this bottom view we are drawn as a this particular two holes. So from this that the movable jaw has to be over here. Okay, so the remaining things we will see in the next video. So this you can, after saving this you can go to the next part.